Welcome to Lesson 10b, Custom HTML Helpers in MVC. Now there is a large set of HTML helpers that come with the ASP.NET MVC framework. Nevertheless, you can write your own custom HTML helpers. In order to build your own custom HTML helper, all you need to do is to create a class that outputs an MVC HTML string. However, a better way to do it is to create an extension method of the HTML helper class. An extension method is a new method of an existing class. In order to create one, you have to do two things. Create a static class with a static method and set the type of the first parameter to the name of the class that is being extended, followed by the word this. In this lesson, you create an HTML helper method by creating an extension method of the HTML helper class. There are no lesson requirements, and your hints for this lesson are: use the @import directive to import a namespace into a view, and make sure your method returns an MVC HTML string. To get started with Lesson 10b, select New Project, ASP.NET MVC2 Web Application, and enter Lesson 10b for the name of the application. And finally, click the OK button. First thing we need to do is add a new folder named Helpers. Now add a class to that folder named Ordered List Helper. This is the code for the ordered list method. You can see it returns an MVC HTML string, but it's not recognizing a couple of the objects, so we have to import some namespaces by using the using statement. And you saw I was able to just right-click them and select the appropriate using statement. Now we need to open the controller. And using the controller, we're going to return a short list of objects. In this case, maybe some colors, and they're going to be blue, red, and yellow. And we're going to use these to display in our new ordered list that we have just created. So here's blue, red, and then yellow. And let's see, I forgot to put the new. Let me put that on here. And then the view, of course, is going to return our list of colors. So we'll put that in there. Next, we need to go to our view. See, I hope you're starting to see a pattern here with the MVC type of applications. So we're going to update our view to display what the view that the controller, the data in the view that the controller is returning. So we're going to type lesson helpers. Lesson 10b, helpers. Our new lesson was our new helper was called Ordered List Helper. Ordered List and View Data.model, because we're returning that data. And then we hit the F5 button. Click the About tab, and there you have your three colors in an ordered list. Now let's convert this to an extension method. All we need to do is make the class static, and then also add a parameter, which is just going to be HTML helper, and it's named helper. We need to do a build. And now we'll return to the view, and we'll use the new ordered list, the new and improved ordered list. First thing we need to do is actually import. The first thing we need to do is import our new namespace. So put that right here at the top under the @page directive. We'll add an @import directive. And now we're ready to use our new and improved ordered list. So we type HTML, like a regular HTML helper, And his ordered list, yep, there's a new ordered list we just created. Select that. Do the View Data Model again. And hit F5. Look at the About, and there you have it.